Hello everyone! Today's video we are heading to Vienna, the capital city of Austria. Guys, I am going back to Singapore upon taking this video and we stay overnight. Right now driving to the small hotel called Leonardo Hotel in Vienna. And from here, we will have a little time to see around the city the following morning. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video if you happen to like it. Thank you so much for your love, everyone. Guys, this is Stephen's Cathedral here in Vienna, or they call it Stephen's Dome. And it's very beautiful inside. It's so huge. The architecture is just so amazing. Okay, according to Wikipedia, St. Stephen's Cathedral is the mother church of the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Vienna, and beneath the stairs is one of the most beloved symbols of the cathedral, a stone self-portrait of the unknown sculptor. At this time of visit, guys, 7th of May 2021, the cathedral is under construction. If you can see above the top, there is a golden ladder. It's just so beautiful the way how this building laid out, and the architecture, the piece by piece design, the curves is such an amazing things to see for me. Next to the cathedral is the buildings, many kinds of buildings, probably shopping malls. I can see there is a shopping mall below, and big names of, like, for example, Louis Vuitton, Prada. I've seen them here. And now we are entering a little bit of peak of the building of Austrian Empress called Empress Elizabeth of Austria, Queen of Hungary, and she was also married to Emperor Franz Joseph I. Her nickname is Sisi. This is the Austrian National Library.
Even the pennies of the horses in detail.
Behind the Austrian National Library, there is a statue of Mozart. And inside here is a park.
Who is he?
Who is
The
it?
god of water.
Yeah?
Orpheus or not Orpheus?
Don't leave Vienna without eating the famous winner,
Eitrige.
Eitrig. This is the sausage.
Cheeseknacker.
Uh-huh.
Eitrig because it's like discharge. It looks like discharge come out.
Okay guys, this is an interesting part. So we park the car and then when we collect the car, this is how it works there in Austria. Wow.
Like the car actually still there on the screen. No.
Ah. Cool. And gate open. Oh, facing here. Hello.
Come in.
I can come in too. Hello, car.